XAGE stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is longevity, health, and holding stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in this space that has actually done 43,000 videos in 5 years. Like literally for 5 years, every single day, grinding at it and showing you what's working and what's not. I genuinely mean what I say. You can check out my YouTube channel. Before, bearish idea was phenomenal. I never took no shorts there because I don't prefer shorts. And since now we're here, bro, I'm just like one break away from just doubling down like crazy on this and buying more. You know what I mean? Like, if this sort of happens, oof, baby, am I gonna just demolish the top? That's that. And like I said, like if the red part doesn't quite happen, then I'm not just gonna randomly buy. You know what I mean? So that's how XAGE is looking like. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.